Welcome back to our Wudang Online Academy. Today we introduce the 𝐷𝐸𝐸 form. The 𝐷𝐸𝐸 form is a form of the 8 trigrams. So as the name suggests, it is in 8 sequences, these 8 trigrams we follow in this series today. The 8 sequences, or the 8 trigrams as it's called, are as follows.
你好，欢迎回到我们武当学院的线上课程。In this set of videos, we will introduce the form 𝐷𝐸𝐸, the palms of 8 trigrams. For more information about the 𝐷𝐸𝐸, you can find information on our blog in the link below. As the name suggests, the 𝐷𝐸𝐸 consists of 8 sets of movements, including 单换掌、下式掌、托天掌、反身掌、顺势掌、磨盘掌、双换掌、双穿掌。In the following, we'll enter into the demonstration. The form is executed around the 𝐷𝐸𝐸 diagram, and therefore there is a reference point around which you step about. You must keep in mind that the 𝐷𝐸𝐸 is in the construct of the 𝐸𝐸𝐸 within the Wudang martial arts system. So the common things that we need to keep in mind, they all apply. To initiate the form, feet together. As you step out, mind that this line is the reference you always keep steady and no shaking. This line is always steady, you always face it. Then lift from the inside. Inhale. Now relax. Exhale. Lift both hands. Inhale. Come up to center. Push outside. Exhale to 虚步. This is the 虚步 we have explained before in online classes. The front leg is empty. It's called the empty stance. The back is straight, upper body tall. Now, step. In this posture, make sure the shoulder is relaxed and the elbow looking down. Let's see the starting movement again. 预备，走。Now we show the first sequence. 走。Now let's look at the movement. As we enter into the ready posture, the outer hand is in front of the body, pressing down. The other hand goes out, and the hand, as you rotate around the reference point, it is centered. You want to look at the hand and pay attention that the hand is steady. We have 8 steps in the circle. So the inner step is referred to as the half step, and the outer step is referred to as the full step. So 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8 and down 马步。This movement is solid, strong, fast. Now pierce palm out and soft. Step out 弓步。Pay attention that the lower hand, the back of the palm is looking up. Now step together and change side. 走1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。And here we are ready for the next section. This was the first sequence in the 八卦掌. Do some practice before we see you next time. Now mind that when you start practicing this form, the most important thing is to have calm and smooth stepping. Look at the hand, see what you notice. We'll see you in the next video.